rainy night, somewhere out in the countryside. Little whiskey bar by the highway bend, old wood walls and broken fans. Truckers smoking under yellow light, trying to outrun lonely nights. Waitress humming look thung tunes, moonlight hiding behind monsoons. Dusty boots by the doorway line, everybody here got ghosts tonight. And the jukebox plays those countryside blues for broken hearts and worn out shoes. Whiskey under neon rain, broken hearts and window pane. Every soul here hides the same in this roadside bar again. Lantern shadow, smoking wine, slow sad guitars killing time. Somewhere underneath this storm, nobody really feels at home. Old man laughing with a bottle near, telling stories no one wants to hear. Young boys staring past the storm, dreaming Bangkok neon dawns. Pickup trucks outside and mud, engines cold like tired blood. Rain keeps dancing on the tin roof, sound like heaven, trying to drown this town. And every glass keeps pouring slow for people scared to just go home. Whiskey under neon rain, broken hearts and window pane. Every soul here hides the same in this roadside bar again. Lantern shadow, smoking wine, slow sad guitars killing time. Somewhere underneath this storm, nobody really feels at Bartender says some roads don't heal the soul. Still I disappear down every road. Neon flickers, rain keeps falling, nobody's sleeping tonight. Neon rain, truck stop hearts and midnight trains. All these lonely souls remain inside this old bar once again. And when the morning sunlight breaks, we'll all leave with the same mistakes. But tonight this little countryside feels like the last place left alive. Somewhere down a muddy road tonight.